Hi Year 2, Miss Harries here. Welcome back to your YouTube lessons. I hope you had a really nice 2 weeks of celebrating Easter. I'd love to hear about all the things that you've been up to, and I love that you've been sharing your things that you've been doing as well. So I've seen cakes, I've seen cards, lots of different crafts, and most importantly spending time with your family, because I know that's something that I would really love to do. So I've had a nice Easter as well. I have been in the garden learning how to garden. I'm not very good at it yet though. I've been cooking some new meals to try. I've been playing with Archie and just having a little time to relax and making sure that I'm doing things that make me happy. Okay, so this is your first lesson. It is maths again. And we are going to be doing the properties of 2D shapes. We're going to be learning all about them and rewinding our learning too. Okay, so we are going to concentrate on two things today. We are going to concentrate on sides and vertices. Sides and vertices. Now, vertices is a funny word, and it means where two sides meet. Where two sides meet. So I always remember it like this. V for vertices, where two sides meet. It kind of makes a little bit of a point, and some people might call them corners as well. Okay, so we're going to go through a couple of examples, and then I have got an activity for you. Okay, so I've got two shapes here. I've got a square and I've got a triangle. Now I'm going to identify the amount of sides and the amount of vertices. So I'm going to mark them with my pen. So I'm going to do sides first because I find them a bit easier. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This shape has 4 sides. Now I'm going to look at vertices. Now I need to remember that vertices are where two sides meet. Where two sides meet to make a point. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. Now I know this is a square, but it has got 4 equal sides. Okay, and my triangle here, we have got my sides first. I've got 1, 2, 3 sides. So 3 sides. Excuse my writing, it's a bit tricky to write like this. And now my vertices. We've got 1, 2, 3. 3 vertices. Okay, so my note is a triangle because it has got 3 sides. Now, triangles can look a little bit different, so I've got a little challenge for you later on. Okay guys, this is your challenge. What I'd like you to do in your books is to draw this table. Okay, so you have got a name, sides, vertices. Have a little go at drawing this in your books. Okay, so what I like to do is pause it now because I have got a second part of the table to show you. Then I will explain the activity. Okay, pause it now. And this is the second part of your table that I would like you to draw. Okay, again, pause it now, add on to the ones that you've already done. Okay, awesome. So now that you have drawn your table out, you can get on with your activity. So the first shape that you have got is a triangle. The first thing I'm going to do is count the sides. Now we actually just did this together a minute ago. Okay, but I'm going to touch them. So 1, 2, 3. So I would write the number 3 here. It has 3 sides. The next one is vertices. I'm going to count the vertices. 1, 2, 3. So I will write the number 3 here. Okay, I would like you to do that for all of them and even have a go at drawing the shapes if you can. Fantastic, I'm sure you're absolutely brilliant at that, but as always, if you do need any help, then ask your parents, even use the internet, or ask your teachers for help too. So if you found that super easy, I have got some little use it challenges for you to have a little go at. Okay, so I'm going to show you them and I'm going to read them to you as well. So we have got use it challenge number 1. Draw a shape with 3 sides. So draw any shape with 3 sides. What is the name of your shape? And how do you know? So if you're drawing a shape with 3 sides, what is it going to be called? What is its name? Okay, so how do you know that it is that shape in particular? What is it about the amount of sides that it has? Okay, and use it challenge number 2. Do exactly the same for me, but with 5 sides. So what shape is that and how do you know? Okay, brilliant. Okay, make sure then that you have got all of those shapes drawn into your table because you will need those for tomorrow's challenge because we're going to apply our learning and do a little bit of art related with our maths. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow. Enjoy the activity and well done, absolutely amazing. See you soon, guys.